Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Gloria, a data scientist. Today I'm going to show you how to solve any SQL question using my 5-step method. This method gives you a clear structure to tackle any SQL problem with confidence, no matter whether you are under pressure in an interview or working on real-life projects. Are you ready? Let's get started. 584. Find customer referee. This is an easy question. It gives us one table, customer table. It has 3 columns: ID, name, referee ID. And ID is the primary key for this table. This means the column ID is unique in this table. Every row has a unique ID number. It is the identification key. You can use the ID column to locate each row in this table. And each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referred them. And the question asks us to find the names of the customer that are either referred by any customer with ID not equal to 2 or not referred by any customer. So the condition here is or because it's either. And the question asks us to return the result table in any order. So we are looking for the custom name when there are referee ID. In this example, let's go through the record one by one. We are going to return the names of the customer. So let me write it here. Name. Custom ID 1. The name is Will. The referee ID is null. So it meets the requirement. Referee ID not equal to 2 or it is null. Let's output Will. Number 2, Jane. The ID referee ID is null as well, so it meets a requirement. Let's write it down. Jane. Number 3, Alex. Because the reference ID is 2. And we are looking for customer when their referee ID is not equal to 2, so we drop number 3. Number 4, Bill. The referee ID is null, so we output Bill as well. Number 5, Zach. The referee ID is 1. 1 is not equal to 2, so we are going to output Zach as well. And the last one is Mark. The referee ID is 2. It doesn't meet the requirement, so we drop it. This is our final result. 4 names: Will, Jane, Bill, and Zach. A quick recap. I use a 5-step method to resolve any SQL question. If you are not familiar with these 5 steps yet, please check out my other video where I go through each one of them in detail. Okay, step 1. Identify the data field to return. In this question, it asks us to find the names of the customer. So, the data field to return is name. Step 2. Identify the related tables. In this question, we have only one table, that is customer. Step 3. We are going to connect the tables together. We only have one table, customer, so we skip this step. And step 4. Apply additional conditions. In this question, we are finding the customers that are referred by any customer with ID not equal to 2 or not referred by any customer. So the condition here is referee ID not equal to 2 or, because either, the condition is either, referee ID is null. The last step is to return the results. The question asks us to return the result table in any order, so we don't need to sort the table or do anything else. Okay, let's go to the SQL code. I'm going to show you how I translate the 5 steps we described earlier into SQL code. Select, then we put the names we find in the first step. From, and this is a table name. It's the table name we identified or created in step 2 and step 3. Where, The condition here is the condition we identified in step 4. So, this is the answer to this question. Let's test run it. Okay, we passed. Now let's submit it. Okay, success. So here it is. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss an upload. Drop a comment too. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time.